How to view your boards on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can view your boards on Pinterest. Begin by opening the Pinterest application on your mobile device. Once the homepage loads, navigate to the board section by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Here select boards and you will find the collection of boards you have created. Here you will see different boards you have created previously. Click on each board to explore its content and discover various customization options. While viewing a board, you can customize it further by clicking on options like rearranging pins, adding new pins, or even updating the board cover. Take advantage of these features to personalize your board to your like. If you are new to Pinterest, creating boards is a great way to organize and curate content based on your interest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.